In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and noticed the words compatibility mode in the title bar, that simply means the file was created in an older version of Word or saved in an older format. While you can still edit it, some modern features may be turned off. Converting the file to the current Word format restores full functionality, improves reliability, and helps your document behave the way you expect. Start by opening the document you want to update. You can launch it from your File Explorer or by opening Word first and selecting the file from your recent list. Once the document is on your screen, you're ready to move to the Backstage area where the conversion option lives. Go to the File tab in the top left corner and choose Info. This page gives you important details about your document. If the file is in an older format, you'll typically see an indication that it's in compatibility mode. That's your confirmation that a quick conversion will help unlock the full set of Word features such as advanced formatting, modern collaboration tools, and improved layout controls. Next, click Convert. This command tells Word to upgrade the file to the current format, usually .docx, without changing your actual content. Your text, images, comments, and track changes remain intact. The conversion focuses on the file's structure under the hood, so Word can apply the latest editing and formatting capabilities more consistently. When Word prompts you, click OK to confirm. The process is fast, and you'll notice the compatibility mode label disappear from the title bar once it's done. From here on, the document uses the modern Word format, which helps reduce formatting surprises and enables features like newer styles, better object positioning, and smoother collaboration. If you share the file with others using up-to-date versions of Word, they'll benefit from the same improved behavior. A couple of quick notes for clarity. If you don't see the Convert button, your document may already be in the current format, and there's nothing else you need to do. If the file is read-only or protected by permissions, conversion might be unavailable until those restrictions are removed by the file's owner. That's all it takes. Open your document, head to File and Info, click Convert, and confirm with OK. You've now fixed compatibility mode and unlocked the full power of Microsoft Word.